Hi, my name is Nhyira Premium. So we have open enrollment for our lectures for the ICA December 2022 examination, and you can register now to study directly under my mentorship with the team here at the Nhyira Premium organization to assist you to put yourself in the position to pass the December 2022 examination. Now, somebody may ask, Nhyira, why do I have to start studying now? Remember that our live lectures will be starting on 5th of September 2022. But why do I have to start studying now? Why do I have to enroll now? Now, if you're a follower of my work, you know that I have said this over and over again from the chief examiner's report for the respective subjects that students' inability to pass the exam, among other things, is because of their inability to prepare for the exams. In other words, inadequate preparation for the exams contribute to the high failure rates in the ICA examination. So in order for you to put yourself in the position to be able to prepare well and pass the examination, is for you to start studying on time. Now, enrolling right now means that you get access to our lecture videos, our ebooks, our question kits that will enable you to start studying now till the time that you are ready for our live sessions and you are ready for the examination. But not only that, enrolling in the course also means that you're going to study directly under my mentorship. Now, if you're a follower of my work, you know that accountability, simplicity, and practicality are our hallmark here at Premium Education Hub. Because studying under my mentorship means that you get access to join our live lectures. You'll be taking part in our performance evaluation test. You'll be given assignments that you have to participate in, and you are also going to be guided and mentored practically so that you can be in a better position to prepare well for the exam and pass the examination. But something that is crucial that we are bringing up this semester is our ultra modern online live examination platform. What does that mean? It means that now on our study portal, you will be able to get access to live questions on the ICA examination, meaning that you will be able to read questions, answer the questions, assess yourself even before the real examination. Now, this is really something that students have been requesting for, and so we went behind the scene to design this ultra modern question live question platform to assist you so that after learning each topic you go on the platform, and then all questions relating to those topics you solve them. All questions relating to those topics, you solve them. And as you do that, you are testing your level of understanding, you are testing your level of knowledge, you are testing your level of the various aspects of the questions in order to put you in the position to be able to pass the examination and, most importantly, become successful. So you will get access to also that online platform or online question platform that will enable you to practice a lot of questions live online with countdown. What does that mean? Timing is very important. So it's not just about I know, but it's about timing. So the clock is ticking. You can see the clock going for each question. And once the clock goes off, boom, you lose that window, and so you'll be able to then work yourself along with the time so that you can put yourself in the spot where you can read questions, think about it as soon as possible, and put yourself in the position to be able to pass the examination, and most importantly, become successful. So you get access to our question kit, you get access to our ebooks for some selected courses, you get access to the lecture videos to study on your own at any time across all devices. Then also you'll be able to join our live Zoom session, study directly under my mentorship. You get access to our ultra modern online live question portal to be able to practice a lot of questions so you can study well for the examination. And the best of it all is that you are getting all of these things at 430 Ghana cedis per paper, 430 Ghana cedis per paper. Now, this gives you access also to join our weekend practice question sessions that will be coming in 6 weeks after we start with our live lectures, and also our executive revision masterclass. You'll be going to be joining that as well, all at the 430 Ghana cedis per paper. So what are you waiting for? Visit our website, nhyirapremium.com, and enroll in a course today. You can also call the number on your screen to find out details about the course and any other thing that you want to know about. and be part of our community. Let us assist you. Let us show you the way. Let us provide you with the blueprints. Let us mentor you so you can prepare well for the examination and most importantly, become successful. Remember that you can also download our mobile application on the Google Play Store or the App Store. It is Nhyira Premium. Just search for Nhyira Premium. Then you download the mobile application. You get access to the content, the courses, and all the materials that you need also in the mobile application so you can study directly under my mentorship to prepare for the examination and most importantly, pass the exams. Note, this is our mission. This is our goal. This is our objective. This is what we've been doing since 2013 and we are still continuing to do it and building the capacity, expanding our wings, exploring to provide you with the various things that you need in order for you to prepare well for the examination and most importantly, become successful. Maybe you want to know more. You are like, hey, who the heck is this guy? You want to know more about us, know more about our institution, know more about our material. Don't waste time. You can visit YouTube. Just search for Nhyira Premium and our channel will come up. And if our channel comes up, you can go through some of the videos there. And if it is something that you love, something you are interested in, and something that you can flow with, then you can enroll in our courses and also study under my mentorship. Let me say that please make sure you read our terms and condition page carefully before enrolling in a course. And many the courses also have their own terms and conditions and details on the courses page, on the respective courses page. So ensure that you read these well before you enroll in a course so that we can assist you better to prepare well for the examination and most importantly, pass the exams. So I'll see you during our live lecture starting on 5th of September 2022 as we run this program up until the 31st of November 2022 and let's assist you so that you can prepare for the examination and most importantly become successful. You ready? Click the link below and enroll in a course today and I look forward to having you in one of our classes.